Welcome back to your Breathwork Resource Center. In today's session, we'll be practicing box breathing. Box breathing is a technique popular amongst Navy SEALs and offers a host of benefits, including stress and anxiety reduction, enhanced focus and concentration, emotional regulation, as well as improved lung capacity and increased self-awareness. This technique is simple and requires just a few simple steps. You will start by inhaling through the nose for 4 seconds. This will be followed by a 4-second hold. You will then exhale through the nose for 4 seconds and hold again for 4 seconds. You will repeat these steps for the whole session. I will be guiding you, but also follow the animation to ensure you are following the correct sequence and rhythm. Getting ready. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 3, 2, 1. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 3, 2, 1. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 3, 2, 1. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 3, 2, 1. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. 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 Inhale. hold, exhale, hold, inhale, 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 hold, exhale, hold. Well done. You just completed a powerful breathing exercise. Let me know how you're feeling in the comment section below. To achieve maximum benefits from box breathing, do 15 to 20 minutes each day. And to get access to weekly breathwork videos, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I look forward to guiding you through the next practice.